This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Amy Ostrow. Beautiful, updated second floor 2-bedroom, 2 baths in Chatham Towne located in Great Central Park area of Plantation. This lovely unit has an open floor plan with skylights, split bedrooms, and vaulted ceilings throughout. Brand new AC unit, remodeled bathrooms, large eat-in kitchen with washer and dryer, convenient pass-through to dining room, large screen balcony overlooks peaceful tree-shaded green area. Spacious master suite also opens onto balcony and has a walk-in closet and master bath with double sinks. Private ground floor entrance, 1-car garage and wonderful amenities which include a large pool, spa, clubhouse and party room. Close to shopping, restaurants, and major highways, yet quiet and surrounded by tree-lined streets. For more information, review the details below or contact Amy Ostrow at 954-236-7040.